Welcome to Vibrant Initiative, a podcast which describes unique you, unleashing the power of women, one conversation at a time. So let's dive in.
So today हमारे guest कौन है रक्षा?
OMG, Simran. What if I'd say she's a beautiful homemaker, though she is excelling in her own business, and none other than, here we welcome Vandana and a beautiful soul, Ritu Dhawan.
So,
Thank you.
Welcome Ritu and Vandana.
So much.
Thank you.
So Vandana is bold and free. Draped nuts is where she's meant to be. Passion and purpose light her way. Growing dreams day by day. She's super talented. Vandana has a family of 4. She, her husband, and her 2 little ones. Her husband is into real estate. She and her daughter are into business of dry fruits and hamper, known by the brand name Draped Nuts. Her son is studying, and Draped Nuts is a company created with their love, same as they create hampers for their clients. And I can vouch for it because the hampers they have created are beautiful, and her passion and her love is shown through her hampers.
And we are the happy customers.
Thank you so
So
much.
rather, Simran, here I would like to add, she is not having the family of 4. Rather, I would say she is the family of 5. Because every woman nurtures her business,
Yes,
her venture,
that's
the way she nurtures her child. Here we welcome Ritu dives into the journey of an inspiring entrepreneur, a creative powerhouse, and a true expert in curating unforgettable experiences. A wife, a proud mother, and a successful businesswoman, she is the founder and CEO of her event company, where she turned her talent into a thriving business. But that's not all. Ritu is a social media pro and a great cook too. Oh, that's a very new one. We never knew.
घर आना पड़ेगा अभी
Yeah,
आपके
yeah,
घर.
surely.
Yes.
Her life's philosophy is based on she believes she could and she did. And that is what we all follow and we all should follow if not. So get ready to hear her incredible story, the challenges she conquered and the magic behind her success. Let's welcome 2 beautiful women on board, Vandana and Ritu.
Thank you. Thank you for the lovely introduction.
So Vandana, what inspired you to pursue your profession and balancing motherhood? How did you start
So-
your brand?
I started when my kids were little grown up. Always kids are never grown up for the
Yeah.
mothers. They're always kids only. So when my kids were little grown up in 2020 during lockdown, when nothing was there to start up, I started up with this business with my love, care, and happiness again because I wanted to do something related packaging. Being a Marwadi and married to a Punjabi, so packaging तो खून में ही था, तो वो तो करना ही था. So I just thought of it when everything was getting shut down. That time I thought of starting up this business, Drapenet. We started in 2020. Very good customer range of more than 5,000.
Wow, that's fantastic.
That's
Fantastic.
the number within 5 years you've reached.
Yes.
So God bless.
And Simran, what I feel like COVID has taught so much to us, and it actually brought so much new things
Yeah.
and new opportunities to people's lives. So Vandana is one of the examples.
So, there are so many mompreneurs who were born during the
COVID times,
Be it
actually.
home baker, home chefs, or your brand. So it also taught us so much.
Yeah, and we were at a high risk that time during those period because
Yeah.
nobody wanted to go out from their house and all that. But we were doing like 12, 13 hours work from
So,
our
and
office.
it's so beautiful when you are passionate about your work. So you've
Correct.
turned your passion into your work,
Correct.
and it's paying you.
Yeah.
So that's the most beautiful thing can anybody want.
Yeah, and that's what I teach my kids also. You should never look behind, always chase your dreams and try to finish it up.
And every problem is having an opportunity inside. So
Fight
this is
for
the
it.
best way you have pursued your career during the worst period where the
Yes.
world was facing so much challenges, and you found out
And
the
you found that
opportunity.
positive thing. And,
Yeah.
just-
So coming back to Ritu, what kind of support system do you rely on to make things work in your event business? I'm sure event business is something like so many challenges to deal with different set of people,
Yes.
from the laborer to client. It's so many different phases you need to break the barriers. So how you manage those all?
See, firstly, I believe that no successful business can be done alone. You need the support system of your family. So here my biggest support system is my family, who are always encouraging me and supporting me in whichever way I want, whatever way I want, and whenever I want. So I feel blessed with that, and also I have a very reliable team who helps me execute my events seamlessly, and of course not to forget my network of friends and clients. So whose trust, recommendations and testimonials have helped me build the successful business.
So because in every business, word of mouth is very important.
Yes.
And networking is also a very important way you get business.
Yes.
So that's true. Yeah.
So word of mouth has really helped me, because that encompasses all this, trust your clients have in
Because
you.
it's a service industry,
Yes.
and when you give your best, you definitely get more business. And I'm
Yes.
sure, in Ritu, we have dealt with you, so you're really doing so well. So Vandana, have you ever felt mom guilt, and how do you deal with it?
Of course, it's real thing, mom guilt. So what happened when I started this thing, I was feeling this guilt too much into my side. My kids were home during the COVID, as I said. Then what happened, I told my daughter also to come along with me at my showroom. So she was also there throughout. And the best part was she started working since she was 16, and now she is also an entrepreneur.
Wow,
Oh,
that's
so-
so nice.
So
Training
I-
अच्छी है, है
Correct.
ना?
So all the challenges you're converting into opportunities,
Yeah,
and that's the
that's so nice.
fantastic motherhood.
That's what I tell my kids, that
Yeah.
take challenges, do mistakes, and then you will learn much better.
Actually.
Yes, yes. You fall, you get up.
You get up,
And that's
correct.
how you rise. That's so amazing.
Actually.
Vandana.
Mom guilty khatam kar diya once.
Exam. That's so good.
So Ritu, in your opinion, how do you define the success? The word success actually meant very differently to every woman. So to a mother, it may be a different opinion, to a working woman, or maybe the different set of people. So how do you define the success?
It means to me that, sometimes the mothers think that, yeah, we have it all, but actually for working mothers, it should be like a balance, a fulfilling balance between the career and the family. So, and of course, if I can inspire mothers to take up a career, then I feel that is true success.
That's so nice
That's
because
inspirational.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
That's so good because everybody should be independent.
Yeah, that is the thing.
That's so true.
So I think what she really meant is like success is the one when you can create the impact in others' life, and that's the true success, because that is a soul satisfying, rather
Yes.
than the more achieving numbers in books. So that's
Yes, it
really meaningful.
it's for it doesn't really mean that a woman sacrifices the things, but how she creates the balance between both and makes them coexist. That is what is
Yeah.
true success to
that
me.
coexist is a very important
Important,
term.
Yes.
So Vandana, what kind of support system do you rely on making things work?
Support system is obviously too much required, because I believe that nobody can do anything alone. So it is said that every man has a woman behind, but yes, every woman also have a man behind.
Yes,
yeah,
true.
That's what I believe. So my support system, I will always say my family, my extended family, my friends, and of course the mentors who we meet on the daily basis, and my professional team, helpers, everybody are my support system.
That's
They are
so
most
good.
And
important.
that's so humble
Yeah.
answer,
And
like
that makes a woman successful when you acknowledge each and every
Everyone's
one coming
efforts,
on your
true.
path.
Yes, yes.
And yeah.
They are most important. Yeah, without helpers, though, we are nothing.
we are
Whether
nothing
it's at
actually.
home, who has a housewife or maybe a professional, without them.
A sense
so
of gratitude is very,
Very, very
It's
important.
always
Yes.
there for them.
Yes, that's so nice.
And I totally agree. Behind every successful woman, there is a man, and I have one.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Everybody
yes.
has one. Yeah.
So Ritu, what is your go-to way to unwind after a busy, hectic schedule?
There are so many go-to ways. When you are with family, it's like you are with the best people on earth. So it's very de-stressing just by being with the family.
Family, true.
And then listening to their stories, what happened during the day, and maybe doing some problem solving with them. So it helps them, because next day I will not be there at. So, doing all that, and then watching some favorite shows together. Mostly we watch comedy shows together. So we are just laughing and laughing.
Yeah. That's so much bonding,
Yeah.
with each other.
That's major bonding.
Yeah.
And then I do some self-care, like maybe I, go for a swim and all that, or the gym, because that happens to be in the building only. So I don't have to travel anywhere, and that time does not go in that.
Yes.
So that way I,
So self-care
like
is so important,
Yes.
because that's a little bit part of the self-love, which I think every
Women
woman
should have
Yes.
it.
and practice, because we as women, we don't make ourselves a priority. So that's so important to give that, some time for yourself,
Yes.
so that you're fresh for the next day.
Yeah.
So Vandana, what do you do in your me time?
I just be with myself. I just lock my room and just
Oh, that's-
some lights are dim and some light music, and just thinking about whatever I've done in the daytime, and a little about myself, like what next I have to do and what better I
That's
So
So
that's your
real.
creative time.
can. Correct. Yeah,
Meditating also.
Yeah.
True.
So nice.
So
what next to be done now.
That's so good. So good to hear that you all both remove some time for yourself, which is really important.
Important, yeah.
So we would really like to hear a vibrant year experience from both of the beautiful ladies who are excelling in their own fields.
I'm proud to be firstly a Rotarian, and I'm also proud to be associated with a vibrant year. It has been truly like a roller coaster ride, and we enjoyed from the word go. It was like our President Raksha,
No,
she
not
took.
about me.
Yes, and
It's all about the positive energy we all bring together.
Yes, so
and
we
that
get,
really matters.
it's very inspiring to be with you always. And, right from the service projects to the fellowship to the workshops, everything has been so vibrant. And we have had a great time. And also, I want to add that at this we had attended this service project, which was the Sweet Dhaga project, and it was lovely being among them, being among the ladies, and we are so blessed that the Rotary thinks about women empowerment.
True.
That is very important, and a major cause to be looked at, and you all are looking after that. So, and that is one big event, big, social project which comes to my mind. So that's fantastic. You all had carried out about the spectacles for the society. So that moved me also a lot, because it is so surprising that, these look like small things, but actually they are very big things. And I'm sure the families of all the security and the watchmen and the service staff of that complex will be blessing Rotary, that you all thought of such a unique way to help them. We are always thinking of, okay, women empower, okay, that is also very good, but this is something that really will stay with me. And the surprise element was that actually so many, I think about 80 to 90% of
got
them
the-
had needed glasses.
True. And again, the children's this new mission with the children, this digital era, all the schools we
Yes,
have done.
then
So
you all
that's-
approach the schools, and the schools also, they might be really feeling so blessed, because we don't realize these things, they improve the quality of life, then it improves the quality of your living and the way they behave with their families. All this is, something great you all are doing. It's all
Actually.
interwoven. Yes.
Best part is getting the smile on those faces.
Yes.
Yes.
What you are doing is the best. Service projects, those smiles, those kids smiling, those women smiling is actually so happy to see that we also feel that something people are doing to them. Yeah. We
One of
actually
the
feel-
best experience during the vibrant year.
Best experience when I went for the service project, I saw kids had made so much good projects, which actually I thought ki my kids cannot do it, and there is a saying, people say that boards, CBSE and ICSE boards, kids are doing much better and they have better English. No. These school kids are also doing so good, which even our kids cannot do.
The science model exhibitions,
Science models,
yes.
they had made it so well. Super projects, and literally the way they were explaining those projects, we really loved.
So all the kids are really talented. They just want a tap and they just
And an
want
exposure.
a road, to explore.
Yes, we were
Just a challenge,
we were so surprised at the Rakhi making with the juvenile children. I mean, in day-to-day life, we would never meet them. But we actually connected with them, we empathized with them, and they felt so happy. And for a minute also, we didn't feel that there is something wrong, and instantly, and they made such beautiful Rakhis. And of course, the funds and all which went later after selling Rakhis, that was also, I'm sure it got
So we are so happy
completed.
that everybody could make a difference, and we will continue making a difference.
Thank you for joining us. Stay bold, stay brilliant, and keep breaking the barriers.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
here,
so
we,
much.
Simran
Thank you so
and
much.
Raksha signing off for the day.
Thank you.
Thank you.